Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create moving text in CapCut PC using keyframe. So first add text and select the full text, and you can select the effect or just text template to change for the text. Right, to create the moving text you are just going to scroll down and the position and size, just select the keyframe button, select to the right and change for the position of the text to as before, and also the size of the text. So this is the final effect you'll have on your text. That's how you can create moving text in CapCut PC. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.